Yeah, fam, welcome to Page Academy. Now your PA the talk. For this video, I want to learn how to create this kind of simple logo. But what you want to do is say for this kind of logo, I want to create now. We want create logo, but the logo I want create am from another logo. So one will brand person logo. Now when you watch carefully for this video, I'll take you show now for this video how to take create logo without you even create anything. To take create logo from another person logo, I'll say show now. But now what you want me to do is say one we brand person logo. Most of person business won't change name, won't change logo. But now something like this now I want to do, but I want to do it another way. Most see how they do it. Now sharp what I want to do is say man clean this man delete them. Man put that for default design. So now all of us go see when we come Pixel app now be this should be. So if you don't get the app, you just supposed to install the app by now. Pixel app. So as you don't install it now, we'll jump into the video sharp. So when we install them, I think we'll see be this fast. So we'll tap this test right here. We'll go over to the test area right there this side. We'll delete the test first. We'll delete the test first. Then what we want to do next, we say make say make you help and do football logo, make help and do air logo. And now you know sabi create face, no sabi use the tool wey take create shape, no sabi use this bezier tool to create anything. Now what you want to do be say firstly you can't go your images, go bring in logo. You understand? Now you tap this plus icon right there up here, you can click from gallery. Now you can go your photos. Your photos it's in a go, so you can bring images coming. Now I'm gonna bring some images come, and this image we want bring, so we go redesign them. And you know nothing that the former images what would bring them be this. So now go my photos sharp. So if my photos open now, all the images already download dey inside here. Now this image we have forget them, we have to download them. Now what you go to do be say if the same you create something for example for this video we want make we the same do air logo. Understand? Now the same you do your own, you just go search air free logo. Now put free for inside so they don't go owe you for copyright. Now most of the time when you search that can search, many of the logo where they'll give you go dey like this. Many of the logo will give you could like this, you know, get background. Or if you just go websites like freepik.com, to carry or this kind of logo, you see I'm saying no get background, and you see how the logo take the day. You understand? You go this somehow like this, and so the logo take the day. You understand? Now if your own logo now no dey like this, you can't get background. If you go comot the background. Now for the end of the video, I'll show you how to take comot the background and where you feel go take go get nice logo will be like this before you redesign it. But now more focus on why we they make this video. I just want to be say one we design this logo. Now before we start, I want to change my image size. I'm gonna tap this three icon. We'll go over to image size. I want to change the image size. I'm gonna use YouTube thumbnail size. So you see how? So now more work on our logo. How fit it do one? Because you see the logo, could be like say it won't blur. But more work on them, you see and say it could be bright, it could be very nice and good. Now what you want to do first is say we did very simple. When we clean some part for this logo, so tap the logo where we bring now. We'll go the place now they'll call eraser. You see eraser for here. Don't forget to tap the image, and you must day your image layer. This one for text to edit text writing. Now image size now one day, so you go tap and go image size. If you just scroll, they go up, you spread or put eraser. And when you tap the eraser, they'll give you option where you take clean something. Until you do, man, move this thing come out. You see up here, now the size of the cleaner what you want to use. This one now the thing where they move the cleaner, how you want me to take day. Until they move the cleaner, be this one now, how you want me the thing to remove. Now what you want to do be say, we want reduce all this one, we want hide the cleaner. Because we want clean anything. They see so cleaner that they clean wait till we don't want. You see so now the cleaner now will take use take clean all these things come out. They go so we don't clean that first one come out. You don't understand that now. But if you don't clean and finish, you click this plus good icon right there. So you see that one don't clean come out. Don't forget that the eraser and the column and the color. Now what you want to do next now? What you want to do next? Let me see. We want put another name for this thing. But this one so the face already carry B. How if we turn this B now to D? Understand? Because the name of the shop we want use Siam and Dijenon. And these people now be the shop where give me the work now more do sharp. So I put the shop name for here, may you see am. So now the shop name now be this. And the shop name be this. So I want to turn this B to D. Now if it do one, when you come down first, move always. I click test. I want click edit. Now I write D first. Mo write D. You understand? Now I'm gonna make the D big. Without click capital, I'm gonna make them big. Now I will come and position this D. Mo put them for center first. The position the D now. Should be the watch where I go now. Relative position now I click. Now waiting one could do next. Mo increase the size. So you see I did the A side, do not forget. And I tap the D. If you not tap the D, this A side now will change. So tap the D first. So the A side will change. If you don't change, we'll go test size. For test size now, we'll increase the size. And if you increase and reach anywhere where you want, but me might just use 150. Now the next one I want to do, we'll go change the handwriting. So you go inside the put font. Within mean and handwriting, we'll change the sharp. So I'm gonna go my fonts. I don't make video to show now how you fit change fonts. All these fonts where I get, so I fit add them, come paste them. All this one I don't that could download them. If I show now to download them for this video, the video is too long. So if you go watch the video, we go show you how you fit download this font. If you download and finish, put for inside your phone. If you can add them, come this app where they call paste them. But sharp, we'll go font where I want you see the font where I want to use it be like this. It here Apex regular. We'll try this one first if you go work. If you know work, if you can try this one they call universal serif, or if you try this magma, so we get many options to choose from. You understand? In fact, we'll go with this magma way first. And the name of the system we'll go with and first. We'll see how this one won't be. Now, more big am again. It be like say the handwriting, because the handwriting is small, it don't reduce our size what we use. More big and small again. So without big am. So what we want now, you don't observe what we want. Okay, what we want mainly now make this D take cover this B side, because we no want see that B again. Now we'll tap this our image, we'll go the image size, we'll tap them. No be the D at the top of the image, we'll go the image size, we'll go clean something again. So we'll increase our cleaner, so our cleaner size for it, we'll make a make it big. If it may not too big, we'll use and clean this B part. We'll use and clean and then so now my mind is keep more increase this thing, more use this thing they move and small. So you see how say without the cleaner, should be they see the line. This one not be the line. We go they show you how you want to move your hand. Now all your more cleaner and reach for there first. We go check this B now. How this B want to enter. More check this B now. How this B now want to go within enter you. So now the B now be our own main problem. So more check out the B. So the B some side too big. Now two want to be say cover some side for this B. So two will do now. If you use this tool, go to where they call mask. So you see this mark for here now. More use them sharp now for this D. You understand? Mark on here. But no verse. Mark on this side. Mark position as for around here. So you see so we just put that for around there. Anyhow. So more cut check how this thing now thing makes sense. More find a push on. Okay, let's say the size too big. Or more go change the font first. More go change the handwriting. Okay, handwriting not to enter. So more increase on. More positional like this. I'm gonna draw and come forward small. So with the same, so more position, more draw and come forward small. See, so it do okay like this now. For now, and two one do now be say one merge them. We'll merge them together. So we'll tap here where they up here. So we'll tap this. I'm gonna merge them. Just follow me to finish. I'm gonna merge them first. Remove coffee clean some. I'm gonna clean some parts come on first. We'll go our cleaner. Now I get a part one more clean. Like this part now more cleaner. Okay. And the still get another part for up here. More increase this one. More it and clean one already up here. More reduce the size. Let's see this size where they used too big. Reduce your own size. Mostly this one have to go back to do waiting to undo something where they already do. More clean and small. You see and so we go use this one clean and small. So without cleaner now. Without cleaner now. You understand? So if we do one like that now, so that it will make sense. But that two if we do, be say if you still go back, use this over there, if we delete and come out. Now this one right here, so if you come the cleaner first, may use and clean and wear first. You call you the clean and wear first. Good. Now that all clean and like that, now we cleaner. More press good now. How come over this side now? More come our test side. More add the test. Now since you already do, we'll put that for center. I'm going to go around where to change them. Okay. Now we don't change the font. You know the font what we call the use now universal. We'll increase the padding. Hope you know where I go. I tap the text. I go the padding side now. I'm going to add our text to our logo. But first, we'll increase the size. But now you see and say the woman face now that they show for inside. You see and say the woman face now that they show for with the inside. So more position away. So you see now everything now don't enter. It don't enter. Now we still do for you now if you can merge them together. We'll merge the D and that one together. So now it don't merge them, it don't be one. Now the next two I want to do, one call right add our test. More write our test. We'll come this side and more write this test where we don't feel right. More edit and more command the D because already gets D before. We just start from this side. We'll make the big. Now we'll change the handwriting for this one too. So we'll position them. If I make them big. So we'll position them. So see if you position them for down, or you can position them for center. More shift and come out as small. Position this image to move it for center. Now more shift and to come outside. So you understand that now should be same. Now we don't use that D, we don't use that D to cover the distance. Now the shape though they change, or they change to another different thing. So they make sense now. Now what thing we want to do now be say this side we do over here now. If we can go over to this side and go change the color. Now for on the color, you see say now everything will change. See so if we change the color, if we change and go anything we want change and go. Should be you understand now. We change the color. If you use gradient to anything to change the color, that will call depend on your own choice. You see the one for white now. But what you want to do now be same. Because you know forget this part, if you save this part too, we'll save them as project. So that anytime we want to come back to this part, if you come back to one, because now what you want to do, we want change everything. So what we don't do. Now we just save this part now. So if we come back to one anytime we want. But now what we want to do is say quick we want merge everything together about what they do since. We'll click this side and we'll merge these two together. Good. Now we'll not merge them together now. What we want to do sharp now. We'll increase the size small. And we'll make sure see this center. Now all of them will be image. No one again here be test. See test not the show again, all of them will be image. Now what we want to do, we'll go texture now. Now what be texture? Texture now could be like something where if you choke for inside something, it could be like saying an image. Once you get image or picture where you want choke for inside something, me they don't know. Me make the thing take fine where. Now I want to do so. So I'll go my photo side now. I'll go find image. One choke for inside this one. Now if you want all this image or this picture why they use, you know one go find your own. I don't put link already for the description box where if you take it down. So more find texture will make sense. So you see now, if you get different texture for here, if you use gold or if you use any other color we want, more try this gold. So you see the gold one. So we'll click the texture, enable maintain ratio. You see where they put on, you click yes. You see now the texture side nowadays, you click texture, make sure this maintain ratio they enabled. Except say you like like this, just try enable them. Now my texture be that. Yes, so you don't understand. I just see and see what you do now. What you want to do next now? What can put this our design? More put that for background. Now I don't count the background area. If you choose any background where you want, you understand? If you choose any background, your background will be color or your background will be transparent. You understand? This one good for businesses because they want to use this thing many times. I don't want any background. So if you send that one, but if you still choose background from your images, not be that from gallery. So more go for images, more they choose background from there. So I'm going to choose mature image one we use now as background. So I'm click this one and check if I get good image for you. Don't forget, I still may not worry about these images. Anyone you want, I don't feel drop link might give you because no me if I get them. So I'm going to the stingy posts. Anybody if you use them, I'm click this one. So that's here now waiting next now we want to now be say you go over to this image side. No, you observe this side very well. You know say this side now is very important. Let me like pass watch on to 3D. Now you tap the image, go this side and put 3D. You scroll, go down now. I'll show you clear. Go this 3D side, enable the 3D. The depth where you put depth, so reduce them. We don't want me too thick. Just put a like for like 4. Understand? But if you darken them, increase this darken them, put them for 100. Understand? Then this SY rotation, I will explain that later. But now we too want to do next and this emboss. I'm gonna click the emboss. You see what the emboss do. Now we'll scroll down where they put bevel, so reduce the bevel, put them for like 4. This specular hardness, increase them, go 100. The light can't go 100, the intensity just can't go 100. See it will make our design match. Should be the observer. Make I reduce the specular hardness so you go observe more. You see this lightning they do now. So I put my bevel for 4 back. I reduce my hardness. So this specular hardness is very important. Still observe am. Now wetin next we want to do be say we'll position this this still well. Now wetin this x rotate me, y rotate mean. You know wetin x and y axis fair mean. So if you want rotate am like this, now be y, x stand like this. So man tap am, I'll just show you something. If you click this 3D shape now, you want come rotate am x, you see and say I they move. Should be the same I they move. See am. Could be like say you want sleep. You could be like say you want sleep. Could be like all those things now they put for picture. Could be like say you want sleep. You understand? Could be like say you want sleep. Now, if you use this Y rotate, so you could be like say they move go this side. Just try and make use and play later. You go observe them. You go see how the thing they. So just be for this video. So two want do next for this video now be say we go want save them up here. You tap up there now if you want save them. So if you save them as image or you save them as another thing, so we just click this save as image. You see, so we don't do the simple logo be DJ now. And this logo now, you see, and see we do on sharp, and we use another image when nobody even take notes. And for this logo alone now, they cost many money. That one now if it cost like 25k, don't be say the price on. And we don't do everything like that now. Use our own smartphone. Now, if you don't put up for ultra like this, we can click save to gallery. No verse because of the design where you don't do, it don't take time. Because if you don't click that emboss and you don't change to 3D, this thing will take time to render. But why basically they put on for ultra always? They put on for ultra always because we no want me blur when they print them. So when your clients go print the design, when you go without do and finish, you go print them. We want many design still they fine, made they nice. That's why they ultra. And I will tell our phone pixel I want to do for us now be say if they render the image, meaning say you want collect all the part of the image so the image could they clear where when they want print them. So wait, it already they save. After they save finish, now for the starting of the video, I tell now say where will we get this kind of images? So my giving that one as bonus. Not say new head of it, just time that they give gifts well. So now I'm gonna go my Google Chrome. So if I go my Google Chrome now, may you observe something. For Google Chrome now, if you want images, I don't first explain for now say not on my data first. You will go website like freepik.com. Understand? Freepik.com. If you go, for example, if you go website like freepik, you see on freepik.com for up here. Now when you click go, you can go search wetin you want. You understand? Click go search wetin you want. When we say you want do a logo for house, you go search house for this website. You know why? Who dey this website? We no wan use Google be say we dey no go hold us say we use image wey person don already do. For this kind of website now, all the images wey dey inside e dey free. Na only some dey pay money for, and once they pay money for, we no need them. The ones where they free, we fit use them. Till the end, they make our own money. So if this free pick load, no mind my phone because my phone na small. For the first time before, it go take time make load. Now if this thing load finish, what you go observe be say you go fit search anything for here. That be the first way they'll tell you. So you see, and so you search anything where they here. Them give you ideas. So if you search, now here now you go search. So anything where you want search, you search and for here. Oh, say for example, you need logo for hair. Now mostly search this hair on now where we just do. So might just put hair. Now I just search hair logo. Now if you watch and wait small, what you go observe they say this free pick now gonna show you many different hair logo where you fit carry save. And as I talk before, the logo where you carry, you no need to get background. You no go get background. Now if the one free pick give you get background, what you will fit do now? Now I want show you next now. That's an idea. So you see and say it go start to show you different results, different hair. So you see they put out they get 27.70 thousand hair. So you just see this so they see and so different images this. So anyone when you want, you fit download them. So make get account with them already. Just go create account with them. You know they take time to create account with them. And it is very easy. So anyone where you want now, you go tap them. Once you tap them, you go have to fit they download them. After you don't finish with download them now, if the thing get background, good. If you get background, move say for example, man download this one now. For example, man say I want to download this one. If I want to download this one, I will fit tell me say, oh, this one I want to pay for. Now, if you get this kind of problem, maybe say they tell you say, oh, this one I want to pay for, you need to go find another one. Maybe say they want to pay for, or you're not supposed to talk this one, but you know the illegal ways one they used before. You'll feel on like this, so that will tell you may save onto your phone. So you see, and so like this, the fit tell you say save onto your phone. Got my phone day in another mode. So if you hold on, the girl will put download image, but now you know the show. Now after you download the image, you don't know how to download image from anywhere now. So you need to show them you go this website they call remove the BG. It's gonna be the main thing I want to show now before. Maybe the main gang. Now we go this website they call remove the BG. Now this website what they do they say it go remove the background of any image where you put. Any image. Oh, say snap picture for the place where you know like won't come on the background, you go move for you sharp. You no need to use Photoshop to come out. You see so you see the website. Maybe this will remove the BG. So now be this. So what you go do, go remove the anything where you put anything where is image where you put me upload them for you. It will come out for you clean. I wish time never go. I will show you example for how the website they work. I go to remove the image for you. But for the next video, I go explain this one where I go explain say how you fit they get customers like this for you. Make they make all this kind logo for them. Now to get these customers, it is easy to get them to for online. But how you fit get them and how you fit find them? Try watch the next video to make I explain out for there because I don't want make this video too long. Because probably enough for day man they explain again for year. But no matter for the next video, I'll show you how if you make much more money from this logo now where we do already design. So if this thing load finish now, you will see and say they'll give you option where you take upload image. Once you upload the image, they will come out the background for you. They will help you come out the background. You see, so now the website be this. So they'll give you option when you take upload the image. We'll say you want comot image now for where you snap picture. And this one, anything where you just want comot image, if you comot the image, the copy comot am. Now that man picture now where I choose, for example, where it snap for where dirty, now comot the background. So you go wait, if you load finish, it go show you the man picture. So you see also it don't comot the picture background. Once you don't comot the background like this, you fit click this download right there here. Click this download to take download the picture. So it just be e no hard at all. So it just be we don't finish creating our logo. So for the next video, don't forget to watch we'll show how we take dey use that logo, how fit and take make some money, and how fit take get client. We'll see now for the next video. Now your PA see the talk, Thomas.